Hello, my name is Eskild Andersen. I'm Senior ESG Manager for the Carlsberg Group. Regenerative agriculture is an integrated part of Carlsberg's sustainability program, Together Towards Zero and Beyond. We have an ambition named Zero Farming Footprint, and to achieve that, we have set some very ambitious targets for regenerative agriculture. By 2030, it is our target that 30% of our raw material should come from regenerative agricultural practices, and by 2040, we're aiming at that 100% of our raw material should come from farms using regenerative agricultural practices. We have set the following criteria for regenerative agriculture. No or minimal soil disturbance. A field is considered to have no or minimal soil disturbance if the machinery do not exceed a depth of 10 centimeters. Cover crops. Soil must be covered at least 95% of the year. Crop rotation. A minimum of 4 different crops from one another on the same plot on 4 harvest seasons. Minimizing chemical input. Use of fertilizers and pesticides must not exceed field and crop demand. Documentation of practices used at farms and full chain traceability. We also have some optional requirements. We would like that fields have border or areas for beneficial insects, for improving biodiversity. We would like to restore soil with compost and manure and integrate livestock for grazing. We are fully aware that local field and climatic conditions may justify different regenerative farming demands and practices. And that is why we are always ready to listen and learn from our partners and suppliers when it comes to implementing regenerative agriculture. It is important that we get the desired impact from regenerative agriculture, but we still need to agree upon how we measure the benefits and transfer the information of benefits to all parts of the supply chain. We see this as a big cooperation area in the years to come. For Carlsberg, it's very important that the practices that we are pursuing have the desired impact, meaning improving biodiversity and capture carbon in the soil. To ensure that we achieve that, it is important that all actors in our supply chain are cooperating. No one can do everything on their own. All partners in the supply chain must cooperate to ensure that benefits are captured and measured correct.